Hi, we're the Schuster family, and we have such an admiration for Rebecca and John and the entire team. We got involved with Autism Tree about 3 years ago, and it has been an amazing experience, eye-opening at the same time, because things I didn't know as an autistic mom, and probably the bigger part is involving your entire family. It wasn't just the autistic son or the autistic daughter. They involve everybody. They group all of your kids up with a mentor. Football, baseball, soccer. The parties that they create for these kids that normally would not be able to go to parties because the sensory is such an overload, and the noise level or the people are triggers. And so they have created a safe place for these kids, for my son. It is a learning experience, and I can't express how greatly appreciative I am of everybody there. And the fact that you guys are turning 20 years already, I can't wrap my head around that. That is a lot of volunteering, and that is a lot of heart dedication to families like us. And for that, we thank you.
Wait, what do I say?
Say, hi, my name's Tyler.
Hi, my name's Tyler.
And what is it that you like best?
I like going to school.
What do you like about ATF? Autism Tree.
What is
The
autism?
football?
Ooh. I like that I can see people. I can see football players throwing a ball.
Parties?
I like parties because I can play and have cake.
And meet new friends?
Yeah.
Okay.
And make new friends.
What's your name?
Hi, my name is Harper. I like doing arts and crafts with them and the Christmas parties and watching baseball.
They just can't get enough of ATF. And we are greatly going to miss you. In the next few months, we will be moving, sadly, and it just breaks my heart to walk away from an entire group of people that have just blown our minds with such generosity and kindness and love. So cheers to 20 years. You all deserve it. Great, and everything and more beyond that. And just keep doing what you're doing. And all these kids will just be better people down the road. Big kisses to you all.
Hello. Bye.